In today's video, we are gonna code a small but fun animation.
First, we'll explain the story to you.
A small boy, Liam's mother, works for a secret alien agency without telling anyone, and she shows everyone her fake work identity if anyone asks about her job. But she forgets her phone at home and goes to the grocery store. Back at the phone rings. No one is there to pick up the phone, so Liam picks it up. And as he picks it up, I am gonna stop the story there. We will continue with the story in part 2. So stay tuned for part 2 of this animation. Without wasting time, let's quickly get into our coding brains and start working on this wonderful project.
So we are going to finish this animation in 3 parts. We are going to make a simpler version of this animation today and in part 2. Then in part 3, we will make this animation better. Today we will do part 1. We are going to create this animation in Scratch. So open scratch.mit.edu and sign in. If you don't know how to create an account, watch our video Scratch Part 1. The link is in the description.
First and foremost, we have created a starter project with the audio and sprites. You can starter project link which is in the description box and in the website. Link for both is in the description box. Fix and rename the project. We have Liam, his mother, the alien and the background pre-made. We all the audio tracks pre-recorded, but you can put it in the way you like it.
We are going to use a simple method to do the conversation. If you remember from last episode, we always start with a when green flag click block. So click on the narrator sprite and drag the when green flag click block into the canvas.
Now, let's take a look at the audio provided. But if you want, go back to the code tab and open the sounds category. Hit sound until done block under the when in flag.
Now, if you check the length of the introduction audio, it is 15 seconds. So we want the background to be shown for exactly 15 seconds and the starting characters too.
So go to the woman with the work card sprite and code the following. So basically, this will keep character and background on the screen until we finish the introduction voice.
Do the same for the alien and Leo. Change the costume to boy standing and alien standing respectively. Don't forget to add the when green flag click block at the starting of the code. For mom, the code is different. When the green flag is clicked, she has to hide for 15 seconds. So under the when flag click block, attach the hide wait 15 second blocks, of course in the mom sprite.
let's go ahead. Now Liam's mom has to go to the grocery store and she needs to tell Liam that. So put it like this. The audio should not be until done because we want the audio and the text to be shown at the same time. Change the seconds of the text to be shown to the number of seconds the audio is found in the sounds tab.
Now we will learn about our first new block, the broadcast block. This block will allow us to send a message across the entire project. Other sprites can receive it and do anything when they receive it. Do remember that broadcast names should be meaningful. Drag out the broadcast blocks from the events category. This should not be the broadcast and wait block though. Click on the drop down menu in the broadcast block and choose create a new message.
Then going to the grocery store and click OK. Block in the stack. Into the narrator sprite. Drag out the when I receive block and choose the event that we created using the drop down. Play sound until done. And so, sound audio. Check the length of this audio. It is 5.54 seconds. Then add a switch backdrop block. And call in the drop down menu. To add the show block under the wait block, Liam's text code and make this code. Now click into the mobile phone sprite and make the receive going to the grocery store. Wait for 5.54 seconds. Until done.
So that's all guys. We will finish the animation in the next part. If you have any questions, comments and ideas for videos, mail them to us at the email ID given down here and in the description box. Or you can even post them in our Scratch Studio. The link is in the description. Do post your feedback in the Scratch Studio. Stay home and stay safe.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.